good day, ladies and gentlemen, and once again we're back together. So we're going to be solving for 3.2. Let's go for it. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you're part of this family, right? So we've got 2x minus 3, we've got x minus 1, and this is x plus 1 over 3. Right, now let's cross multiply in this case. So these are equations with fractions, right? So we've got two fractions that are separated by an equal sign. So all we can do is just simply cross multiply. So we've got x minus 1, x plus 1, right? That's the difference of squares. That's going to create the difference of squares. That's x minus 1. And this is equal to 3 into 2x minus 3. Now, ladies and gents, this is going to simply be x squared minus 1. And this is going to give us 6x minus 9. And if we take this to the other side, we've got x squared minus 6x. And we've got the minus 9 to the other side. That's 9 minus 1. And that would give us plus 8. And this would be equal to 0. All right, what are the factors of 8 such that when we add would give us 6? That's definitely 4 and 2. And because our middle term is negative, so it means both of the signs are negative inside the brackets. Right, please, if you haven't mastered factorization, it would help you quite a lot to go and watch the video on factorization. Ladies and gents, our answer is x plus 4 as well as x minus 2. Now, what you need to do is go and check if it isn't in the denominator or if it's not going to make the denominator equal to 0. So our denominator is x minus 1. Well, this one is constant. You can't have 3 becoming 0. But x minus 1, when would it not be applicable? Right? When x is equal to 1. And neither one of our solutions are x is equal to 1. So which means that they are both applicable. Right, let's leave it there. We'll see each other when we do the next question. Sharp, sharp.